Alright, first pair up, it's going to be Curtis Sprayberry left side. Colton Chavez right side.
Oh boy, here we go.
Alright, here we go. 580 cars to the lanes for chip draw, please. 580 cars to the lanes for chip draw. First call, 580 cars to the lanes for chip draw. Sprayberry's going to get the win. 752 on the 750 dial. Right side of 744. Went too quick, but had to, because he was way late on the tree. Sprayberry had him hammered pretty good. So Sprayberry moving on. Have our first set. Putnam cut up left side. Brandon Hampton over here in the right lane. Again, 580 cars to the lanes for chip draw. 580 cars to the lanes. Look for the orange golf cart for your chip draw. 580 cars to the lanes. Hampton definitely taking his time backing up. I want to make sure he's perfectly in the groove that he laid down with the rubber.